Hi, this is Miss Harwell, and I'm going to talk to you today about how to turn a prompt into a thesis statement. So that is what you are doing today with right? So you have three different choices. You could write about love, culture, or perseverance, and the prompts are given to you. So the prompt is what follows that boldened topic. So for yesterday, you looked at our model essay. So our prompt was write an essay explaining why it's important to have sports in schools. Yesterday, you took a look at our model and you were supposed to do some thinking and analysis or really deconstructing the different parts of our essay. You were supposed to fill this out for your assignment. Now, I'm going to talk to you just briefly about how I took this prompt that was given to me and I turned it into a thesis statement. So, again, a thesis statement is answering the prompt. It's your answer or your response to the prompt. So if the prompt was write an essay explaining the importance of sports in schools, then I would think about this part after the explain. So the importance of sports in schools. So I could say something like, it is important to have sports in schools because, and that's one way that I could start my thinking or start my thesis statement. Now, what we ended up going with is this one. It's important for schools to offer sports activities to students because they can teach valuable life lessons. So if I have this idea already done and I know that sports are important because they teach valuable life lessons, just like that. If I have this is like my first attempt at my thesis statement. I ended up rephrasing it just a bit, and I said it's important for schools to offer sports activities. I was really specific here, and I talked about the audience too. It's sports activities for students. And then I have my because, and they can teach valuable life lessons. So now, if this is what I am going with, this is my thesis statement, my final one, that's what I'm going to end up proving with my essay. I'll have some examples, I'll have some chunks that I've written that support that idea, right? Because your thesis is your promise. I promise that my essay is going to be about that. And that's exactly what I did here in the model. I promised to write about my thesis, and that's what I really did here. So that is how to turn, or at least my thinking about how to turn a prompt into a thesis statement. Happy writing!